students in a series of topics in commercial arithmetic. Let us see one example. Here is a mobile store. One shopkeeper purchased a mobile from that store in 3000 rupees and he sold that mobile to a customer in 3500. Here 3000 is the cost price of mobile for that shopkeeper and 3500 is the selling price for that mobile. Now what he will get? He get profit. He gets profit of rupees 500 while selling that mobile. So here we can say that the amount of money which you pay to buy an article is called the cost price and written as CP, and the amount of money which you receive from the customer by selling an article is called the selling price, written as SP. If selling price is greater than cost price, just that previous example, you will get profit. And we can say the profit equals to selling price minus cost price. But if your selling price is less than the cost price, or we can say cost price is greater than the selling price, in that case there is loss. So we can say loss equals to cost price minus selling price. Let us do few questions and find profit or loss in each case. Here is your first question, that cost price equals to rupees 70 and selling price equals to rupees 80. It means one person purchase something in rupees 70 and sale in rupees 80. Here selling price is greater than cost price. It means there is a profit. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Just subtract selling price and cost price. So here what we will get, 80 minus 70, it means rupees 10. Let us do one more kind of question. Here cost price equals to rupees 475 and selling price equals to rupees 462. Just observe that cost price is greater than selling price. It means there is a loss, and loss equals to cost price minus selling price. It means 475 minus 462, and what is the loss? Rupees 13. Let us do one more question. Here cost price equals to rupees 65.85 and selling price equals to rupees 55.25. Here again selling price is less than cost price. It means there is a loss, and loss equals to cost price minus selling price. So here it is rupees 65.85 minus rupees 55.25, and what is the loss? Rupees 10.60. Let us do one more question. Cost price equals to rupees 200 and selling price equals to rupees 315.50. Here we can observe that selling price is greater than cost price. It means there is a profit. And how much profit? Selling price minus cost price we can calculate, that is rupees 115.50. Therefore, you have understood that the amount of money which you pay to buy an article is called the cost price. We can say CP, and the amount of money which you receive from the customer by selling an article is called the selling price, and that is SP. If you know what is a profit or loss and you need to find out either cost price and selling price, how you will do? So here is the procedure. You know that if selling price is greater than cost price, there is a profit. And how we calculate profit? Selling price minus cost price. And if profit is given to you and you need to find out the selling price, you can easily find out. Just add the profit in cost price and you will get the selling price, because you know that selling price is greater than cost price. It means just add the profit in cost price and you will get the selling price. And if cost price you want to know, in case of profit, just subtract the profit from selling price. So these are the formulas and you don't need to mug up. You can understand that. In similar way, if cost price is greater than selling price, in that case you know there is a loss, and the formula for loss is cost price minus selling price, you know. Now if you want to know what is the selling price if loss is given to you and what is the cost price. So here are the formulas. Selling price equals to, just subtract loss from the cost price, because you know that selling price is less than cost price. That's why just subtract the loss from the cost price and you will get the selling price. And to find out cost price in case of loss, just add the loss and selling price and you will get the cost price. Let us do few questions. Find selling price or cost price in each case. Here is first case. Cost price equals to rupees 400 and profit is there rupees 25. Just understand that if there is a profit, it means selling price is higher than the cost price. It means just add the profit in cost price and you will get the selling price. It is a formula and it is 425. Let us do one more question. Here cost price equals to rupees 180.30 and here is a loss of rupees 15.45. If there is a loss, just understand this. It means selling price is less than cost price. That's why there is loss. So how we will find selling price? Just subtract the loss from the cost price. It means CP minus loss. And what you will get? There's rupees 164.85. Let us do one more question. Selling price equals to rupees 765 and here is a profit of rupees 45. If there is a profit and selling price is given to you, it means to find out cost price will be less than the selling price. It means just subtract the profit from the selling price and you will get the cost price. So the cost price is 720. Let us do one more question. If selling price equals to rupees 1045.25 and there is a loss of rupees 46.85 and you need to find out the cost price. If there is a loss, it means cost price is higher than the selling price. So to find out cost price, just add the loss in the selling price and you will find out the cost price. So it is rupees 1092.10. So simple. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.